guys, let's check out the Reptile. Corn snakes are native to the Carolinas, and even though they have bright colors, they are not venomous and just eat mice. Guys, I'm standing next to the biggest salamander in North America, the hellbender. Guys, look at this gorgeous box turtle. Right here is one of the most venomous snakes in our area, the copperhead. You can tell it's a copperhead because the darker pattern on his back looks like a Hershey kiss, and because of their triangular head. Timber rattlesnake. These are the most venomous snakes in North America. Look at that guy. Believe it or not, this is a common snapping turtle. They will get up to 70 pounds and also 1.5 feet. Right here is an American green tree frog. Meep. Meep. Here is the American toad, also known as Bufo americanus. These guys are great camouflagers, and make sure to keep your dogs and cats away from them because they secrete a toxin. Hyla versicolor, also known as the gray tree frog. This guy is so cute. Apostola maculata. This guy is a spotted salamander. He's got two. Apostona opacum, also known as the marbled salamander. Pantheropus gutatus, the corn snake.